Is it the right time to buy or sell Sidus Space stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Sidus Space. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 8, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 21, 2023, Sidus Space has been ranked as a strong buy candidate by our system, earning a score of 5.97. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis and invested in Sidus Space 11 days ago when we first recommended it as a buy candidate, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 280.15%. This translates to an average return of 25.47% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend and indicates an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, the previous trend at $12.26 will now act as support, offering a potential opportunity for further gains. Fan theory suggests that the next possible resistance level could be $22.96, which may require multiple attempts to break. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 178.52% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -71.65% to 122.89%. The 12-month trend indicates a 10.19% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -99.24% to 10.19%. This translates to a price range of $0.117 to $16.88 after 1 year. Our latest update for Sidus Space brings exciting news. On Monday, the stock price experienced high volatility and closed at $15.32. During the previous trading day, the Sidus Space stock price increased by 17.48%, going from $13.04 to $15.32. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 40.4%, reaching a low of $11.93 and a high of $16.75. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an impressive 280.15% increase over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also increased on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $46.27 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $16.75, while the lowest price was $0.0335. Currently, the stock price is 8.54% lower than the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $1.43. Furthermore, it is 48.42% lower than the all-time high reached on December 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $29.70. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, September 7, 2022, Macquarie upgraded SIDU and gave it a neutral grade. On the same day, Oppenheimer also provided an initial rating for SIDU, grading it as outperform. Analysts have provided a general rating of neutral for Sidus Space stock. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. Today, we're taking a look at the signals for Sidus Space. Let's start with the chart analysis. It's mostly positive, as the Sidus Space stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This gives us a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy trend, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, we can expect some support from the lines at $11.35 and $2.87. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it would issue sell signals. Now, let's talk about recent developments. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 119.8%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moving on to technical indicators, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. Not only that, but the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help inform your investment decisions. First up, the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are also signaling a buy, with the last signal occurring 113 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average has also shown a buy signal 13 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signaled a buy 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages continues to indicate a buy signal 13 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Sidus Space. When it comes to the downside, this stock has some support levels to consider. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $12.20 and $11.64. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next one. For Sidus Space, the next support levels are at $12.20, $11.64, and $11.50. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. Sidus Space has high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a wide range of potential prices for this stock, indicating very high risk. In fact, in the last day, the stock had a price range of $4.82 or 40.4% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average volatility of 42.89%. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for Sidus Space, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One of the key metrics to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face challenges and experience temporary downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a consistently negative PE ratio could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Sidus Space. When it comes to resistance, the stock doesn't face any significant barriers from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the ideal time to exit. On the downside, Sidus Space encounters its first support level at $12.20. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. The average rating for Sidus Space by multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On May 17, 2023, Craig Carroll Marlene conducted an insider buy of 500,000 shares of Class A common stock. On April 5, 2023, Rira Leonardo conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. Based on the two most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 68.396. Overall, insiders purchased 500,000 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 2 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.80, representing a decrease of 3.38%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which in turn entails a higher level of risk. The Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, is currently at 81, which further amplifies the risk involved. Additionally, a buy signal was observed from a pivot bottom that occurred just 4 days ago. Is Sidus Space stock a good buy? Our analysis suggests that there are several positive short-term signals for Sidus Space stock. Additionally, the stock has broken its rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. This implies that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, our systems have detected that the current price is overvalued based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 9th, we anticipate Sidus Space to open down by $0.653 and commence trading at $14.67. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What's your target for the stock? We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest trading insights. Now, let's dive into the analysis. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.